Welcome to Best Choice. The best silicone baking sheet is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any modern kitchen, revolutionizing the way we bake, roast, and prepare food with its non-stick surface, easy cleanup, and reusable nature, making it a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to parchment paper or aluminum foil, ultimately enhancing your culinary experience and ensuring perfectly cooked results every single time. Number 5. Koolstuffs Silicone Bread Sling for Dutch Oven. Introducing the Koolstuffs Silicone Bread Sling, designed with dual long handles. Effortlessly lift your baked goods from the Dutch oven, keeping your hands safe from burns. Enjoy a superior non-stick experience with this baking essential. Simply rinse it clean or place it in the dishwasher, saving you time and eliminating the need for parchment paper. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, this sling is built to last. It's incredibly flexible and resistant to deformation, ensuring long-term durability for all your baking needs. With a temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures even heat distribution. Say goodbye to burnt food and hello to perfectly baked results every time. Beyond bread, use it for cookies, pizza, and more. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for any sourdough baker or cooking enthusiast. What we like? This one features a long handle design, making it incredibly easy to remove your baked goods without risking burns. If you're a sourdough enthusiast who frequently bakes in a Dutch oven and prioritizes safety, this is the perfect choice for you. It offers peace of mind while handling hot items. What people say. These liners are made of food-grade silicone, ensuring they are safe for baking and cooking. The non-stick surface makes cleanup incredibly easy, as food doesn't adhere to the liner. They are durable and can withstand high oven temperatures, making them suitable for various baking needs. Number 4. HOTPOP Silicone Baking Mats, 3/4 size. These baking mats are designed to fit your standard baking pans. They measure 11.5 by 8.5 inches and can be stored flat or rolled up. Reduce grease and mess in your kitchen. You can bake your favorite treats with fewer steps and less cleanup, saving on waste. Cleanup is a breeze as food lifts right off the non-stick surface. Simply wipe them clean or place them in the dishwasher for easy maintenance. Built to last, these mats are durable for repeated use. They are perfect for your everyday baking needs and long baking sessions. Made from high-quality silicone, these mats provide a dependable surface for all your baking. Enjoy making family recipes, holiday treats, or school snacks. What we like? This set comes with 3/4 sized mats, perfect for smaller baking tasks and easy storage. If you're looking for a convenient way to bake cookies, macarons, or pastries with consistent shapes and less mess, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for those with limited kitchen space or who bake in smaller batches. What people say. These liners are a game changer for baking. They prevent food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. The silicone material is durable and heat-resistant, ensuring even baking and preventing burnt bottoms. I love that these liners are reusable and eco-friendly, reducing the need for parchment paper. Number 3. 3-pack Silicone Baking Mat Set. Introducing our premium oven mats, designed with a robust thickness for lining your oven when baking pastries. They are safe and reusable, offering a great alternative to disposable baking paper. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these mats are BPA-free and reinforced with premium fiberglass. They are healthy for you and have no odor, ensuring peace of mind during use. Enjoy effortless baking with our silicone baking sheets. The advanced non-stick surface guarantees easy release of your baked goods, eliminating the need for extra grease or parchment paper. Cleaning these mats is a breeze. Simply wash them with warm soapy water or place them in the dishwasher. They are also space-efficient and can be rolled up for convenient storage. This set includes large and small mats, perfect for all your versatile baking needs. Whether you're making cookies, bread, or pastries, this set is an essential addition to your kitchen tools. Please note that when using these baking mats, it's important not to exceed the maximum temperature limit of 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid prolonged high-temperature baking to maintain their stability. What we like? With a robust thickness and a versatile set of 3 mats in different sizes, this option offers durability and flexibility for all your baking needs. If you're a home baker who values sturdy, reliable tools for cookies, bread, and pastries, this set is a great investment. It provides a dependable surface for a wide range of recipes. What people say. These liners are a great alternative to parchment paper and are very easy to clean. The silicone baking mats are perfect for baking cookies and prevent them from sticking to the pan. They are durable and can withstand high temperatures, making them suitable for various baking needs. Number 2. Sopito Platinum Silicone Baking Mat Set. Tired of baked goods sticking and burning? Our premium silicone mats offer a non-stick surface, releasing your creations effortlessly. Say goodbye to parchment paper and cooking oil forever. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, these mats are perfect for everyday baking. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food is prepared safely. Made with high-grade platinum silicone, these mats are twice as dense as ordinary ones. Their thick, anti-curl design ensures they last for years, saving you money and reducing waste. This value set includes 5 versatile mats, 2 half sheets, 2 quarter sheets, and 1 round mat. They cover 90% of your baking needs, from cookies and pizzas to roasting vegetables. Cleanup is a breeze. A quick rinse is all it takes, or simply pop them in the dishwasher. No more scrubbing greasy pans after baking. These mats are more than just baking liners. Use them for rolling dough, protecting pans, as placemats, or heat-resistant surfaces. Their uses go far beyond traditional baking. What we like. This is a complete baking mat set made from premium platinum silicone, offering exceptional versatility with half sheets, quarter sheets, and a round mat. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that covers almost all your baking needs, from cookies to roasting vegetables, this set is ideal. It's perfect for those who want a high-quality, all-in-one baking upgrade. What people say. These liners are a game-changer for baking. They prevent food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. The silicone material is durable and heat-resistant, ensuring even baking without scorching. I love how versatile these liners are. They can be used for baking, roasting, and even freezing. Number 1. GRIDMANN Pro Silicone Baking Mat Set. Introducing the GRIDMANN Pro Silicone Baking Mats, your new essential for effortless baking. This set is designed to make your cooking experience healthier and more convenient. Crafted from professional-grade, food-safe silicone, these mats are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. They transform any baking sheet into a non-stick surface, reducing the need for oils and sprays. Improve heat distribution for consistently baked goods every time. Say goodbye to burned or undercooked spots and enjoy perfect results with every use. Save money and reduce waste with these reusable, non-stick mats. They eliminate the need for parchment paper, foil, and other disposable preparation materials. From cookies to sticky caramels and even baked fish, these versatile mats handle it all. They are perfect for preventing messes and catching spills, making cleanup a breeze. Cleaning is simple, just wipe them clean with soap and water. For added convenience, they are also top-rack dishwasher safe. What we like. This professional-grade set of 2 half-sheet liners is designed for superior heat distribution and consistent results. If you're a serious baker who wants to achieve perfectly even bakes every time and reduce waste, these mats are an excellent choice. They are built to last and provide a reliable, non-stick surface for all your culinary creations. What people say. These liners are a game-changer for baking. They prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. The silicone material is durable and heat-resistant, ensuring even baking every time. I love how versatile these liners are. I use them for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, and even as a non-stick surface for kneading dough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.